In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 9, subject maths, unit number 17, practical geometry, triangles. In this chapter, in exercise 17.2, we will do today question number 2, part number 3. This part is included in smart syllabus. Now let's see question number 2, part number 3. RP equals to 3.6 centimeter and angle Q equals to 30 degree and angle P equals to 105 degree. Now check that base is 3.6 RP and at P you have to construct the angle of 105 degree, but R is not mentioned, R angle not mentioned here, so Q angle is given here. So you have to find first of all R angle with the help of these two angles. You know that sum of angles of triangles equals to 180 degrees. So angle Q plus angle P plus angle R equals to 180 degrees, supplementary angles. Now 30 degree and angle P equals to 105 degree plus angle R you are going to find out here, so written as it is. Now it becomes 135 degree plus angle R equals to 180 degree. Now check that angle R you are going to find out here, so 135 degree shift to other side, then it will be subtract. Now after subtraction you have to get 45 degree. It means R angle will be equals to 45 degree. So first of all you have to draw baseline. RP equals to 3.6 centimeter. So after 3 you will count 6 lines here like this from 0 to 3.6. Now 3.6 centimeter and its name is R and P. Now at point P you will construct the angle of 105 degree. In this question I will construct this angle with the help of protractor. Now you have to put protractor here at point P. Now 105 degree angle you have to plot here. Now you have to join this with P. That will be the angle of 105 degree. Now you can write here 105 degree. Now at point R you have to construct the angle of 45 degree. In previous lectures you have to learn that how you can construct angles with the help of compass. Now R equals to 45 degree. This will be. Now you have to join with R. Now that is the required triangle. It's named as Q. यहाँ पे मैंने प्रोट्रैक्टर से इसलिए एंगल नहीं बनाया कि डायग्राम छोटी है. प्रोट्रैक्टर से बनाऊंगी उसकी आर्क्स लगेंगी, डी से बनाऊंगी तो उसकी उससे कंपास से बनाऊंगी तो उसकी आर्क्स लगेंगी, फिर एल्टीट्यूड की आर्क्स लगेंगी, तो वो एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डायग्राम हो जाएगी. ठीक है, मेन चीज़ यहाँ पे मैं आपको एल्टीट्यूड सिखाना चाह रही हूँ. नाउ first of all you will take the vertex. Vertex means corner points of the triangles are known as vertices. So first of all you will take first vertex P and its opposite side you will take RQ. Now you have to open compass with suitable radius and you have to draw arc in bay form. Basically the purpose of arc in bay form, you have to get 2 points of intersection. First point is this, second point is this. Now you have to use the same radius. Now you have to draw arc. Now put compass at second intersection point, so you have to draw the second arc. Now you have to join with P. This is the first altitude. Altitude can be drawn from the vertices. Now next you will take R vertex and its opposite side is QP. So you have to put compass at R and you have to open compass with suitable radius. You have to open compass with suitable radius and draw arc in bay form like this. Check that you have to get just one intersection point. Second intersection point not available here. So you have to extend this QP line. You have to put scale according to QP. Now you have to extend this line in dotted form like this. Now you have to get second point of intersection here. So you have to put compass at that point and draw arc. Now you have to put compass at second point. Now you will use the same radius. Now you have to draw the altitude of R vertex, so you have to join this intersection point with R like this. Now that is the second altitude of second vertex. Now RP, its opposite vertex is Q. Now you have to open compass with suitable radius like this. Now check that you have to get here first point of intersection, second is not available. So what you have to do here, you will extend this RP line and dot it like this. Now you have to get second point of intersection. Now you have to use the same radius. Now put first point of intersection. Now put compass at second point of intersection, draw arc. Now you have to join with Q vertex. Now like this. Check that two altitudes meet at same point named as O. Now third altitude is small, so you have to extend. I will use here black marker here to represent. No, I will use here green marker. Now you will extend. Now check that. That is the third altitude you have to extend. Three altitudes passes through at a same point. So O point is a point of congruent. Congruent mean passes through at a same point. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको इसकी समझ आ चुकी होगी। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा, बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक करें और इस वीडियो को भी लाइक करें। इस तरह आपको बहुत सारी न्यू वीडियोस जो हैं वो स्मार्ट सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग मिलती रहेंगी। अल्लाह हाफिज़।